So as we were learning, so this is where you can add a background to your text, your charts, your typing. All right. So let me add this very background. I go for sky blue because I know it will be easier to see through. All right. So this is where you add your glow. All right. If you want to add a font or you want to design what you are doing, okay. So you go here to design your font. If you are designing your font, this glow is not, this adding background is not necessary. You allow it so that the beauty of what the design you are doing, the glow will show up. Okay. Um. Okay. Now let me leave it at what was there previously. I think I like that one most. Click on that small arrow. Don't forget each of these carries a small arrow by the side, and when you click on it, you have a drop down. All right. So for instance, I want to add this. This one comes automatically with a shadow, which you can see here. Which you can see here. It comes with a shadow. All right. Okay. So you can set to make that shadow more. Okay. So this way you have the shadow here. Say the shadow, or you say the inner, say the outer shadow, inner shadow, the perspective. It's many. You can choose anyone you want. So let me choose this shadow. Highlight it. I'll go back. Let's do this. Then I add a shadow to it. Okay. And I still go back and I had an outline, join it an outline now. Okay, this is where you have your reflection if you want it to reflect. All right. So in this case, I want it to reflect for just a bit, a bit, a bit. And this is where you have your glow. You want to glue the word. I'm showing you this because I will be expecting something from you. If you want to glue the letter, this is where you have your glow. All right. So I would love a black glow, whereas it's not here. So I'll go to more glow colors. So this way I have my black glow. If I want a white glow, this is it. If I want a yellow glow, here it is. And if I want blue, whatever color I need, it's all here. All right. So that's why to add your glow. Then something else I'll be showing you is, for instance, after typing this, you see that the space gap, the space between this story building and the first word is very far. So to adjust that so that it will not be very far from each other, you need to highlight the text. You need to highlight the text. After highlighting, go to your home. When you go to your home, go here. You call it this line and paragraph spacing. You click here from 1.5, remove it, take it down to 1. Then you go down again, you remove here, remove space after paragraph. Okay. So if you want to add that space, the same way you had that one, you remove it. You can also go 1.5 is always the normal standard spacing size. You can add space after paragraph and add space before paragraph. All right. Okay. So after here, quotation for construction of a five-story building. All right. The next thing you need to do here, don't forget we were doing quotation. Okay, let me reset my fonts back to 14 as the normal typing fonts. Okay, so I'll go to table as we had before. And what you need to do, what you need to know is when adding a table for quotation, you need to have the first thing will be um, the number, that's the serial number. The second one, description. Third one, quantity, rate, and the amount. So that's five tables we are going to be having here. First one is a serial number. Serial number. We have the description of word. Okay, description of whatever you are doing the quotation for. Then we have the quantity. Okay, let's have the rate before the quantity. And we have the amount. Okay, so I cannot be using this font while typing, so I will highlight it. I'll go back to my home page and I will remove all this, no color, glow, Did I add any glow to this? I think no. I did not add any glow. Okay. I think what I'm seeing here is a shadow. Shadow. So I go to no shadow. I see outline, automatic, and I see reflection. I go to no reflection. Alright, so I go here and change my font, Camera line. Did I bold in it? You have to remove it from bold. Okay. Okay, so that's what you do. That's what you do. That's what you do on a normal. Alright, so you go down. That is, you go down. When you click on your tab key, don't forget that I showed you this is your tab key. When you click on your tab key, it automatically moves from one table to another. The more you click it, when it reaches the end, it brings down another table. All right. So under the serial number, we have the first one. You can adjust this by coming here. Don't forget when you bring your pointer to where you have this automatically. When you see pointer changes to this shape, you know it's ready to be adjusted. So what you need to do here is you press and hold your right keyboard, your right mouse key, and then you drag your mouse to where you want to adjust it to. You can also do this by going here. Okay, that's another way to do it. Okay. Oh. All right. So we have one. The first one we have here is let's mm, 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 all right, description. We have the cement, all right, which is at the rate of cement. Let's say cement now is 10,000 naira. All right, so we need 50 cement. Okay, which the total amount is. How much is the total amount? I think it's 500,000 naira. Okay, and we have the second one. We have block. All right, and block each the rate is 200 naira. Let's assume we need 100. All right, so the total price of it is what you can go over here and then use your calculator. All right, so what you need to type is 200 times 100. All right, so it gives you 20,000 naira. Okay. All right, so that's how to close your quotation. You keep bringing it down, until you have the last here. You have total. All right, so for here not to shift, I will highlight it, I will right click it, and I will merge this together. Let me merge all through it. Right click it and I'll merge it together. Don't forget I showed you how to adjust this. I will adjust it down. Use my enter key to take it downwards. So here we have the total, which is 20k plus 500k. All right, so we have 520,000 naira. Okay, so that's the total of what we have here as our quotation. So this is what we are going to use in completing our 5-story building. Okay, so don't forget, here I'm just showing you how to do a quotation. Okay, all right, so thank you. Let's move to the next class. Here, I think the next class should be